talking about design system that we used from the Atlassian design. So we used what we learned from the Atlassian design to create another design system for brave achievers. Once again, I would like to start by defining what we mean by design systems. A design system is a collection of reusable components, where each of these components have a standard clear operations, so whereby they can be used in the creation of various or many applications. Now, these design components, we have major key points that we need to focus on whenever we are trying to create a replica for any organization or anybody. We need to take into consideration the products. We need to take into consideration the brand. We need to consider the topography. We need to consider the marketing procedures. We need to consider the design principles as well while we are trying to create a design system for any organization. So for brave achievers, we have come up with a few things, and I would like to go into them in details. First, I'll start with the brand. Now, for the brave achievers, we have noticed that we have observed that for the brand, it's a free mindset bootcamp training, and acceleration for young professionals to put them on a path that will further enhance their talents and their mindsets in the international sphere, so that they will be able to compete and to maintain a very good standard wherever it is that they find themselves. So this is what I see as the personality of the Brave Camp. There are two visible things on the logo of Brave Achievers. We have a star, and like we know, a rocket doesn't stop halfway. A rocket keeps going until it gets to wherever it is that it's going to. So I see that rocket in Brave Achievers logo as the accelerator hub, as the acceleration hub. I see that rocket as the boot camp. I see that rocket as the webinar about the color of the Brave Achievers. Brave Achievers is a brand that is affiliated or recognized with their mint green color and their blue color. So when we talk about mint green, what does it signify? It signifies growth, it signifies fertility, it signifies a